Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charging usage from Enel X JuiceNet, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer EV charging usage from Enel X JuiceNet, start by logging into your Enel X JuiceNet account. Use your registered email and password to access the main dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section found in the sidebar. In the Reports section, select Charging History from the available options. You will now see a list of your charging sessions. To export your usage data, look for the Export button, usually located at the top right corner. Click the Export button and choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, confirm the download. The file will now save to your device. Open the downloaded file to review your charging usage data. Check that all relevant data, including time, duration, and energy used, are present. Next, if you need to transfer this data to another platform, log into that platform. Locate the section where you can import data. Usually, this is found under Settings or Data Management. Follow the prompts to upload your downloaded file. Make sure to map the data fields correctly, matching them to the required format. After confirming the import, review the newly transferred data to ensure accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, you have successfully transferred your EV charging usage. For any discrepancies, refer back to the original downloaded file for corrections. Repeat the process if necessary for additional data transfers in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.